the key themes that everyone's looking at is sustainability. Many companies are really asking the question, is sustainability profitable? Can we really make money from sustainability? And here, companies are looking at how to improve efficiency, reduce energy consumption, amongst a number of other areas to really save money and impact the business. What we're seeing in some areas is how can vendors integrate solutions? So energy management systems is one great application, especially with energy prices having spiked recently. Manufacturers are really looking at how to optimize their energy consumption and using automation, and that can be drives, controllers, additional software solutions to monitor and track their energy consumption. Another element that companies are also looking at is the environmental footprint of their products. And here, companies are looking at circular economy. So how can I reintroduce my product back into the economy, either through recycling or reintroduction of the product rather than it going to waste. So companies are having to look at the supply chain of their products, redesign their products to make them easier to be reinvented as well. So keep looking further developments for sustainability at SPS 2022.